So in continuation with discrete numeric functions, we now have the topic manipulation of numeric functions. So first operation of two functions is sum. If there are two functions AR and BR, then we will be denoting CR as sum of two numeric functions with help of AR plus BR, where value of every CI will be sum of AI and BI. So if AR is a function of monthly income of husband and BR is function of monthly income of wife, then CR will be denoting the total income of husband and wife. Similarly, product will be CR equals to AR multiplied by BR, and scaling will be CR equals to some constant alpha times AR. So if AR is a function R square, BR is a function 3R, so here CR will be R square plus 3R, CR equals to 3R cube. And now if alpha equals to 5, because alpha will be some constant, so CR equals to 5R square. So these three are basic manipulation of numeric functions. One is mode. So CR will be mode of AR. So we know that this operation, mode operation, basically removes negative sign if there is any from the function AR. So if AR is a function minus 1 raised power R square, what CR will be containing, but CR will remove this minus sign and CR will be having R square only. Other manipulations on these functions are positive shift, and positive shift is represented with the help of SI, where I is some positive number of AR. So if I is, for both example, positive shift and negative shift, if I equals to 3 and in negative shift I will be minus 3. So we will be representing S3 of AR as shifted value of AR 3 steps. We know that AR originally was 0, 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. So shifted value will be 3 zeros will come initially and then this function will start. So 0, 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. In case of negative shift, we know that this particular I will be some negative number, so S minus 3 AR. In this case, the function will shift left side, so 3 values 0, 1 and 4 will be dropped and function will start from 9, 16, 25 and so on. So we can say that SI of AR will be having zeros I times and then original AR. S negative I, or we can say that negative number AR will be I elements of AR will be dropped and then the left AR will be continued. So we will see another examples a few minutes later. Accumulated sum of a function AR is nothing but I equals to 0 2R AI, and this will be generating some other function BR. So in case of some other function CR. So in case of AR, we know that the value are 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So CR that means CR will be having accumulated sum. So for C0 we will be having 0, C1 will be having 1, C2 will be having 5, then 14, then 30 and so on. Forward difference is nothing but CR is difference of AR plus 1 and AR, and this is represented as delta AR. Backward difference is AR minus 1 and represented as reverse delta of AR. In next lecture we will be having some examples of positive shift, negative shift, accumulated sum and both of the differences.